Good morning, everybody. I am Mrs. Dina Hafiz, Province Language School. Our lesson today for grade 5, mathematical expressions, means to change the word expressions into simple expressions. It means if we have a sentence, we have to convert these words into mathematical expression or mathematical way. Any expression should consist of variable, which will be a letter, maybe X, Y, Z, and this will be given in our sentence. Number 2, mathematical operations. Our operations are plus, minus, divide, or multiply, which means addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Constant. Constant that the number is 1, 2, 3, and so on. Let's see together example for an mathematical expression. 25x, which means 25 multiply x plus 7. X here is a variable and 7 is the constant. Okay? We have magic keywords which can solve any expression. If we find in our sentence the word add, sum, more than, total, increased, or after, which means we will use addition operation. If we have subtract, difference, less than, decrease before, which means we will use subtraction operation. If we have the word distribute or divide, which means we will use the division operation. If we have the word times, double, triple, or multiply, which means we will use the multiplication operation. Let's solve together to make it easier. Okay, go to the next page. Page 26 in our booklet. The question number 1, represent each word by a variable expression, which means write these words or this sentence in mathematical expression. Okay, let's zoom in to make it clear enough. Okay, here we have 7 more than a number x. As we read, as we write. Let's write together. The first word was 7, so I have to write the digit 7. More than. In the previous page, I said if we find the word more than, which means plus. So the expression will be 7 plus x. 7 more than a number x, which means 7 plus x. Okay? Letter B, x more than 2. Same. X more than means plus 2. Very easy. Here in letter C, we have 2 less than a number x. I said before, if we find the word less than, it means minus or subtract. But how can I solve this mathematical operation or mathematical expression? If you find the word which refers to subtraction operation, we have to go from backward to forward. What is the meaning of that? Go from here. So the first word can I write is x minus 2, which means 2 less than x. Okay, x less than a number 10. I said less than means minus. So when I put the operation subtraction or the sign minus, I have to go from backward to forward. So I will start from 10 minus x, which represent x less than a number 10. 3 times a number y. What is the meaning of times here? Times means multiply. So 3 multiply y. And we can write it in another form like 3 y. 3y means 3 multiply y. Take away. Letter F says take away. Take away means subtract. Put the sign. Take away a number k from 15. Concentrate. I said when I see the operation subtraction or the sign minus, it means go from backward to forward. So I will write 15 minus k, which means we take away k from 15. And number m is divided by 12. It's very easy. Divided by. So m divided by 12. I love this lesson. It's very easy lesson. 1/6 of a number y. What is the meaning of the word of? We know this word from the last term. Of means multiply. 1/6 means 1/6. Multiply a number y يعني means multiply y. We can write it in another form. 6y. Easy? Very, very easy. Okay, move it up. Letter J. In letter J we have add. What is the meaning of add? Yes, sure, it's a plus. Add a number z to 23, which means z plus 23. And number h divided by 3. Divided. H divided by 3. 3 more than a number y. What is the meaning of more than? Yes, sure, it's a plus. 3 more than y. X less than a number 12. I can't hear you. Less than means subtract. Backward. 12 minus x. What we wrote, all of them called mathematical expression. Okay. In letter N we have 4 divided by a number q. 4 divided by q. 4 divided q. 7 less than a number t. Less than, which means subtract. Go from backward to forward. So t minus 7. A product. What is the meaning of the word product? Product means multiply. A product of a number f and 3.5. 3.5 multiply f. We can write it in another form. 3.5 f. Can I write it here again? 3.5 f. Okay, go to next page. 2 times a number w. What is the meaning of 2 times? The word times means multiply. 2 times w, which means 2w. Add the number z to 13. Z added to 13. 1/5 of a number y. Of means multiply. 1/5 of y. We can write it 1/5 y. 5 subtracted from twice the number f. Okay, subtracted means, let's zoom in to make it clear. Okay, more, move. Here letter T says five subtracted from twice the number f. Subtracted. Go from back to forward. From twice the number f. What is the meaning to twice the number f? 2f. Subtracted 2f minus 5. 7 decreased by 3 times a number. Decreased. We said before the word decreased means subtraction. So subtraction here from back to forward 3 times a number. Maybe this number is x. 3 times x, 3x. Okay, decreased by 7, 3x minus 7. The difference means minus. The difference between 3 times a number and 9. 3 times a number and 9. 6 times the difference of a number and 8. 6 times the difference of a number. Let the number called x. 6 times means 6x minus 8. Okay, thank you for watching, and please check LMS to find the video and PowerPoint presentation. See you later.